Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT50 GT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5308. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a P5 AT, 3.2 litre, 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT, 3.2 litre, 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. ARB canopy supplied with all bolts and brackets, less keys. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate has 7 small dents. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door also has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, non-power, non-auto fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive bucket seat type, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory sat nav control panel, head unit and display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.